Hello, beautiful women. Today I want to talk to you about fake eyelashes. We've all done it, gone to the salon and had them put on these beautiful fake eyelashes, and they look really, really good, and it's great because you can wake up in the morning and they still look really good until one starts to come off and you can't get in to get them done and you look really freaky. So I did that whole process for a couple of years, and at the end of it I had no eyelashes at all, and was really sad. So what I did was I started using Grande Lash on my eyelashes and eyebrows every morning and every night. And what this does is it doesn't make them grow, but it stops them from falling out. I guess our eyebrows and eyelashes are always falling out, so this makes it so they don't fall out. And my eyelashes are very long, and I have eyebrow hair all the way over here and here that I never had before. And it's come in here fuzzy, not thick like over here, not like long brows, but fuzzy enough to where when I did the permanent makeup, it filled in and it looks great. And the best part about this is that now my eyelashes are long, so during the day I don't have to wear fake eyelashes anymore because they're really long and really thick. And so there is a solution to wearing the fake ones that are done in the salon. At nighttime, if you want to have really long, thick eyelashes, I have these lashes that I'm going to show you how to wear. And I've done the math and calculated it out. If you wanted to wear them all day, you could do, and they are less expensive than going to the salon. They're less than $2 each, and you can get 2 wears out of them. I never can, but some people do. And when I used to get mine done, they didn't always last 3 weeks. I'd be lucky if they did. And it was easy $40 up to $60. So it's a lot less expensive, and you get to keep your real lashes. You don't look that great when you wake up in the morning because they're not going to be these thick fake lashes on your eyes, but it's really worth it. So hopefully you'll like what you see in this video. I go through the whole steps of what it is, where to get them, and how to apply them. Thanks for watching. So these are the eyelashes I use. They're 120S, and they're self-adhesive, meaning the glue's already on there. They come with 1 row, and then they also come with a row of glue on the top, so that if you wanted to wear these again, idea would be you take the glue off of the old one after you wore it and put them onto the new strip of glue. Well, my eyelashes never last like that. I just rip them off and throw them in the trash. But I buy another set of lashes, which you'll see right up here, that aren't self-adhesive, and they're a lot less expensive than the self-adhesive. And I take them off and I put them on the second set of glue, so there'd be 2 sets of lashes here. And then it's a lot less money for me, and I don't have to try to put the glue on the second one. I don't know, maybe you can make them last for 2 times. I can't. So you want to make sure your eyes do not have any makeup on the lids, none at all. So I have definitely have some liner in my waterline and a little bit underneath my eyes, some eyeliner, but the top of my lid is completely free of any makeup, any lotion, any oil. I just use a Q-tip to make sure it's really dry, because it's really important. And the dark you see here is my permanent makeup, so there's no makeup or anything on there. And you take your tweezers, and I start at the end of the lash. I start at the end and I pull it out. You want to make sure you have a mirror that is magnified and a lot of good light. And you take the lashes, and no mascara either on your eyes, and I kind of pull my eye taut like this, and then I stick it on there, not completely, just a little bit in the center, and then I push the part over in the center of my eye, and I push it down at the end of my eye, and then I go across the whole thing. Just having it catch in the center first is the best way I've found to do it. And then I just push and push and make sure it's all in there. Can you see? Looks a little wicky there, but it's not. So I'll do the other one so you can see again. So you pull it off with your tweezers. Hold it in the center of the lashes with your tweezers. Look down at your magnifying mirror. Pull your eyelid taut. Make sure you have a lot of light. And kind of push it in the center of the lash so that sticks. And then push down in the corner and on the outer edge. That's the way I like to wear them, where they're longer, there's more of it on the edge of the eye. I don't put them all the way to the center of my eye because I want it to look more like my eyes look longer and bigger. If you already have long, big eyes and you want your eyes to look more open, then you would start in the center, and then this would end, right at the very end of your eye. Mine goes a little further past my eye because I want my eyes to look bigger because my eyes aren't that big. Then from here, you can put your makeup on. And I even put mascara on, and the mascara blends the fake lashes with the real lashes, and it just gives them a pop. You can put them on when you already have mascara on, but make sure your mascara is totally dried. Don't try to put your mascara on and then put these on, because you'll have a big mess of wet mascara on your hands and on your eyelids and everything. But these will last all night long, all day long, whatever it is you want to do. I don't usually wear them during the day, but my stepdaughter does, and they look amazing on her. I'm going to go ahead and show you the rest of my makeup so you can see that it's pretty easy to put on over the fake lashes. I did the fake lashes for a long time, that you go and you get them done at the hair salon, and they say they don't thrash your eyelashes, but they absolutely do over time. And the worst part is if you lose one, it's like your long acrylic nails. If one breaks, you just look like a freak. You just don't want to show your hands to anybody. And it's worse with your eyes because you can't hide your eyes. And if one comes off when they've done that, it just looks really weird, and you can't always get into your girl. And I just got sick of it. It's called Grande Lash. It's similar to Latisse, but Latisse has a reputation for turning blue eyes brown. Don't know if that's true, but I wouldn't want to take the chance. Plus, Latisse is $150, and Grande Lash, you can get it at Walmart for $39, and it lasts like 3 months. If you get on Amazon, it's like $65 up to $75, but Walmart has it on clearance a lot for $39. Of course, I'll put the link down there for you, and I'll link the eyelashes. So I'm going to go and put the rest of my makeup on so you can see that it really does work. I don't know, I think it took me like 5 minutes at the most, not even that, because we're at 6 minutes now, to put those on. And it's worth it not to thrash your lashes, and really they look just as good as the fake ones. You'll see once I get my makeup on, they look just as good. So now I'm going to put my eyeliner on. And these will not thrash your eyelashes. You just take them off at the end of the night, put your grande lash on, and you're good to go. With the other ones, you have to wear them all the time, so they're just constantly pulling on your lashes. So my eyeshadow's on. Now I'm going to do my mascara. I always start on the bottom, because if you don't, then when you go to do the bottom, your top lashes will touch this and it will make mascara get on here. You don't want to be rough and put on the top, but definitely get them covered with mascara. This mascara is a little thicker, so you can really make it as thick as you want. There you go. You can do your own eyelashes. You don't need to go and have them done, and you don't need to thrash your lashes by having them on all the time. Thanks so much for watching.